Hello, we're going to be talking about using OBS Studio. OBS Studio allows you to use multiple sources and flexible layouts to create your video. OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software, and it's a free open source software that you can get on the internet. Where to find it? Go to obsproject.com. This software allows you to easily switch between media files, webcams or other video sources, audio files, screen captures, and you can easily move or resize components of your video. What do you need? OBS will run on Windows 8 or newer operating systems, Mac 10.13 or newer operating systems, Linux or BDS operating systems. We find it really helpful if you have a 2-monitor setup, but it is not required. You can produce both recordings or live broadcasts using the software, and you can visit the system requirements on the obsproject.com. With it, you can combine a PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation and add your additional video in a PIP, picture-in-picture, either as an independent video or a talking head. You can use it with or without a green screen and add a picture for the PIP background, and this is true for both a talking head or a canned movie that you're using to incorporate. Or you can just use the green screen to remove the background entirely for your inserted video that's going along with your presentation. Or you can create picture-in-picture on the screen you are capturing, and this can be a screenshot of a YouTube playing in the background, and this particular one is an MOV file playing in the foreground. As with all software or new technology, there's always the challenge of dealing with errors as you begin, and low productivity, and eventually getting to where you have low error and high productivity. I would rank OBS Studio somewhere close to medium, in the middle of the road. It's not insurmountable, but it's not something that you're probably going to pick up in the first 30 minutes. And the only way to get better at something is to start doing it and learn from your mistakes. Or you can, of course, read the instructions or watch some YouTube videos to learn how to do it better. Our image sources today, because it's important to know where your sources are. The forest and the fish both came from Pixabay free stock photos, no attribution required. Our solar videos and images came from the NASA Video Library. Other backgrounds were simply stock from the Google Slides product. The software we used was OBS Studio 25.0.8. We used Google Slides, Windows Media Player, and Google Chrome. Hardware, we were using a Logitech C922 ProStream webcam and its audio, and we used a Dell Latitude E6520 i7-2760 QM processor with 12 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. So this is not a modern computer. It ran quite well on this, and it was running, should have said, Windows 10 as well. The green screen was green cotton fabric purchased locally and sewn into a larger piece and tacked to our wall. Thank you, and this video was from the USM STEM Outreach and Services Center at the USM Portland campus in Maine. For more information, feel free to visit us at www.mainerobotics.org, part of the University of Maine system.